Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control panel on your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Open the dishwasher door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread all of the screws holding the inner and outer door panels together. Note the length of each screw and its location on the inner door panel. Remove the top middle right screw last. Slide the outer door panel up to detach. Lift off the control panel, and you can fully remove the outer panel. Disconnect the wire connector from the door latch and the 4 wire connectors from the display control board to fully release the old panel. Prepare the new control panel for installation by transferring the jumper wire from the old boards to the new ones. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the display control board. Reinstall the outer door panel by first positioning the new control panel. Connect the wire connector to the latch, then slide the outer panel onto the inner panel, making sure the lower tabs rest behind the hinges. Replace all of the screws in the appropriate locations, starting with the long top middle right screw. Turn the power supply back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.